All right, for today in math, we did lesson 25. The students were to be able to find missing numbers in math problems using a number family by adding and subtracting. So we've got a story problem for homework, also a number bond, and an addition and subtraction sentence. The idea is the students to find all three numbers in this number family so they can write addition and subtraction problems with those numbers. So for homework, number one, they give you a story problem. You have a picture, you have a number bond, and then also an addition and subtraction problem. Today in class, as I read the story, I had the students circle the numbers they heard in the story. So if they could do that for their homework, that would really help them out. Number one says 6 flowers bloomed on Monday. So I would have your child circle 6. If they even wanted to write a 6 above it, you could do that. Some more bloomed on Tuesday. The word some means we don't know how many, but we know some flowers were blooming on Tuesday. Now there are 8 flowers. I would circle that 8. How many flowers bloomed on Tuesday? Well, this page was so nice that they've already drawn 8 flowers for you because we know that is the total number of flowers that we have. So that is what's going to go on the top number bond. The other number in our story was 6. 6 is going to be one of the parts of our number bond. So since we already know about the 6 flowers, we're going to cross out or take away 6 of the flowers. All right, so the student should be able to look at the picture and figure out the missing number of our family, which would be 2. So now we have a family. An 8, a 6, and a 2 are all part of a number family. The students need to take that number bond, and for the top math problem, they're going to make an addition problem. So they know they need to take the 2 parts, or the 2 smallest numbers, and put those first. So they could say 6 plus 2 equals 8, which is all still part of the family. Now, the second problem, they need to do a subtraction problem. The students know that for a subtraction problem, the biggest number needs to go first. So in our family, 8 is the biggest number. Take away, if we look back at our picture, how many did we take away? 6 equals 2 flowers left over. So 2 flowers bloomed on Tuesday. So you're going to do the same thing at the bottom as well about the balloons. On the other side, it's the exact same thing, but a little bit more work. The students need to draw the pictures that match the story on all 3 of them. And also for number 4 and number 5, I'm not sure why they didn't put this in there, but just go ahead and add a plus and a subtraction sign, a plus and subtraction. Add and subtract on those 2 math problems. But it's the same thing as the other side. Number 3 says Missy buys some cupcakes and 2 cookies. Now she has 6 desserts. How many cupcakes did she buy? So hopefully the students will circle the 2 that they saw and the 6 that they saw. So in our box, we're going to draw how many desserts she had, which was 6, the big number. The student should draw circles or dots, lines, anything like that. 6 is how many she has. How many cookies does she have? 2. So we're going to write it 2. We're going to cross off those cookies because we already know how many we had. Now whatever's left over is how many cupcakes Missy bought. And that would be 4. So there's your family. The students need to come up with an addition and a subtraction that match that number family. Please email me, call me if you have any questions.